All right, let's go ahead and get started.
I'll tell you when to do that.
Whenever you're ready.
Hi, everyone. So, we are Team Amor at Cora, and we have built an AI powered case management platform for small nonprofits that are still managing clients through spreadsheets and paper forms. What we talked, can you do the next slide? So the problem is that most small nonprofits cannot afford the software that already exists. Most nonprofit operate on less than $1 million a year, while existing case management tool cost around 50 to $150 per every per month every user. Because of that, many organizations are still tracking clients through spreadsheets, paper format, and manual notes. That creates problem with organizations reporting and privacy. So when we saw that the same issue had been submitted over and over for years, we knew this was a problem worth solving. So our solution is Amor at Cora. So at its core, it lets nonprofit register client, log the services they provide, schedule appointment, and generate reports. We also made it flexible. Different nonprofits can customize the intake field without changing any code. One of the features we are most excited about is the AI support. A nonprofit can take a photo of a paper intake form and automatically fill in the client information. They can also record voice notes and turn them into organized case notes. And if a form is in a different language, the system can translate it into English automatically. And the whole system costs less than $20 per month to run. Uh, do you want to do the demo?
So this is our dashboard.
I'll
You wanna talk and I'll do the navigation.
no, it's easier. You
Okay.
you just do the demo.
Okay. Okay. So first of all, this is our login page where we have a Google authentication and then there's username and password. And we are using for the front end, we are using Next.js, and then we have our backend everything database in Supabase, and we have our AI endpoints hosted in Render. So the dashboard shows the insights of how the organization has been doing and the list of clients. Oh, okay. Okay. I'll just move on to the main feature, which is for the client intake and to voice to text feature for the case notes. So to log a visit with the case note, we have a feature that transcribes the voice note to the text. Can you what up this? So we have a record option.
Help with housing resources.
So we are using render, so it takes like a little bit of time, but it creates the notes from whatever the voice says, and then we are able to add those case notes for the user. Uh, then we also have a photo to client intake option for the clients. So we support multilingual. So if it's like a Spanish form, we can upload it and then it autofills from the image, and the caseworker can check if these details are correct and then add the client to the database. So these are the main features, and then we have we yes. So these are just the main features, and let's go to the questions now.
Yeah, sure. Do you have the description for customizable?
Yes, so we have a admin panel where we have the settings, and then in that we show the different forms that we have in the organization, and then if you go there, we can see which are the fields right now, and then what field you want to add or remove from the form. So it shows up in the admin panel.
So using
So we are using a chain with a fallback. So first for the voice, we are using Whisper, and everything is like open root providers. So we are using Whisper for the voice, and for the image photo to text, we are using Gemini models. Can you repeat that? So right now we are using render, Vercel, and I think Vercel has some limits of the number of uh, users here, but I don't have the exact number. So the services that is added is like can be changed. Like these are the services that you can add. So for depending on the nonprofit, it can decide like what are the services they provide, and it's generic so that it can support different non-providers. So right now we are using Vercel and Render. So if you're asking about the cloud, like we are all using Supabase and React, and we are using Python. So it's not on cloud right now. Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys so much.
All right, judges, go ahead and tabulate your score.